Ever puzzled over how Amazon FBA operates? Let's shed some light on it. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service provided by the e-commerce giant itself. It's a way for sellers to offload the heavy lifting of storage, packaging and shipping. Sellers simply send their products to Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon handles the rest, right from storage to shipping when the products are sold. Quite convenient, isn't it? In the next few minutes, we'll break down how Amazon FBA works from start to finish. Why should you consider using Amazon FBA? Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. The benefits of Amazon FBA are far-reaching, and they start with the ability to scale your business quickly. Imagine a world where you're not limited by your own storage space or manpower. That's the world Amazon FBA opens up for you, a world where growth is only limited by your ambition. Next, consider the time and resources you'll save on shipping and handling. With Amazon FBA, you can wave goodbye to those late-night packing sessions and say hello to more time focusing on what truly matters: growing your business. And let's not forget about Amazon's vast customer base. With millions of shoppers logging in daily, the potential for your products to be seen and, more importantly, purchased is immense. Sounds appealing, doesn't it? But how does it actually work? The first step to using Amazon FBA is setting up an Amazon seller account. Think of it as your passport to the world of online selling. Now, setting up an account is a breeze. Just head over to Amazon Seller Central and click on Register Now. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself or your business. Ensure all the details are accurate to avoid any hitches down the line. Once that's done, you'll need to choose a plan. Amazon offers two types of seller accounts: professional and individual. If you're planning to sell more than 40 items a month, go for the professional plan. If not, the individual plan will serve you just fine. Remember, you can always switch between plans as your business grows. After you've chosen your plan, agree to Amazon's terms of service and set up your payment details, voila! You've got yourself an Amazon seller account. Once you've set up your Amazon seller account, you're ready to list your products. Now that you've got your Amazon seller account, it's time to list your products. Listing your products on Amazon is a crucial step. Let's break it down into manageable pieces. First, we start with the product description. This is your opportunity to tell potential customers why they should buy your product. Be informative, be persuasive, and most importantly, be honest. Describe the product's features, benefits, and how it solves a problem or fulfills a need. Next, let's talk about product photos. Quality photos are key in catching a customer's eye. You want to show the product from different angles, highlighting its features and benefits. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so make sure your photos are clear, well-lit, and professional-looking. Now, on to pricing. This can be a bit of a balancing act. You need to set a price that's competitive, but also allows you to make a profit. Look at similar products on Amazon to get an idea of what others are charging. But don't forget to factor in your own costs, including the cost of the product itself, Amazon's fees, and any shipping or handling costs. Finally, it's important to ensure your product is in the right category and has the correct keywords. This will help customers find your product when they're searching on Amazon. With your products listed, you're ready to prepare them for Amazon's warehouses. Before you can ship your products to Amazon, you need to prepare them properly. Now let's delve into what this preparation entails. Firstly, we have to consider labeling. Each product you send to Amazon needs a unique identifier, often referred to as a barcode. This barcode is how Amazon tracks your inventory within their vast warehouses. You can either use the manufacturer's barcode, or Amazon can assign you one. If you opt for Amazon's barcode, there's a small fee, but it ensures that your product is tracked accurately. Next, we move on to packaging. It's essential that your products are packaged properly to prevent damage during transit and storage. Amazon has specific guidelines for different product types. For instance, fragile items need to be bubble-wrapped, and sharp items should be packaged so they won't puncture anything. It's worth noting that Amazon has strict rules for products in liquid form, which must be sealed twice to avoid any leakage. Then, let's touch on shipping. Amazon has warehouses dotted across the globe, and you'll be assigned one or more based on your product type and location. You will need to create a shipment plan in your seller account, detailing what products you're sending, their quantities, and their destination. This plan guides Amazon's team when they receive your shipment, ensuring your products are stored correctly. But before you seal that box, remember to include a packing slip. This document should list the contents of your shipment, including the quantity of each product. It's an extra step that can save a lot of hassle if there are any discrepancies. A final point to remember is that Amazon has the right to refuse, dispose of, or return any inventory that doesn't meet their requirements. So, it's vital to familiarize yourself with their guidelines and follow them to the letter. And there you have it, the essential steps to preparing your products for shipment to Amazon. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but with careful attention to detail, you'll become a pro in no time. Once your products are prepared, they're ready to be shipped to Amazon. Now it's time to ship your products to Amazon's warehouses. Once you've prepared your items for shipping, the next step is creating a shipment plan. This plan is essentially your roadmap, detailing where your items will be stored within Amazon's vast network of warehouses. You can create this plan directly from your Amazon Seller Central account. It's as simple as providing the quantity of each product you're shipping and confirming the warehouse destination. Now let's talk about packaging. It's crucial to pack your products securely to ensure they reach Amazon's warehouses in pristine condition. Amazon has strict guidelines on how to package your products, so make sure to follow them closely. Whether you're shipping a delicate teacup or a robust piece of furniture, each item should be individually wrapped and packed tightly in boxes. Once your products are safely boxed up, it's time to send them off. Depending on your location and the size of your shipment, you may have multiple shipping options. These could range from Amazon's partnered carriers to other reputable logistics providers. Whichever option you choose, remember to print and attach the shipping labels provided by Amazon to each box. Once your shipment is ready, schedule a pickup or drop it off at your chosen carrier's location. With your products on their way to Amazon, the rest is in their hands. The moment they receive your products, they'll take over by storing, selling, and shipping them to your customers. So sit back and watch as your business takes flight. Once your products arrive at Amazon's warehouses, Amazon takes over. This is where the magic really begins. Amazon's sophisticated systems store your products safely and efficiently. They use advanced technology to track each item, ensuring your products are always ready to meet the demands of your customers. When a customer places an order for one of your products, Amazon springs into action. The product is selected from the warehouse, carefully packaged, and swiftly dispatched for delivery. Amazon's wide-reaching logistics network means that your products can be delivered to customers all over the world. But Amazon's role doesn't end with delivery. They also handle customer service, dealing with any queries or issues that may arise. From fielding questions about product details to managing delivery updates, Amazon's customer service team is there to provide support. This takes the pressure off you, allowing you to focus on sourcing and supplying great products. In the event of a return, Amazon once again steps in. They manage the return process, ensuring it's as smooth and hassle-free as possible for both you and the customer. Finally, Amazon pays you for your sales. Every 2 weeks, Amazon totals up your sales, deducts their fees, and deposits your earnings directly into your bank account. It's a seamless process, designed to give you the freedom to grow your business without the day-to-day hassles of order fulfillment. And that, in a nutshell, is how Amazon FBA works. Let's recap what we've learned about Amazon FBA. We've discovered the numerous benefits of this service, such as storage, fulfillment, and customer service handled by Amazon, freeing you up to focus on your business. We've gone through the process of setting up an Amazon seller account, a straightforward process that puts you on the path to e-commerce success. We've also delved into the nuances of listing your products, ensuring they're attractive and visible to potential buyers. We've tackled the task of preparing your products for shipment, a crucial step to ensure your goods reach Amazon's warehouses in perfect condition. And finally, we've seen how to ship your products to Amazon, a process that, while sometimes daunting, is made easier with Amazon's clear guidelines and support. Throughout this journey, we've seen that Amazon plays a significant role in storage, fulfillment and customer service, taking on the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your business. Now that you understand how Amazon FBA works, you're ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level. Happy selling!